Maruti XL6 is a 6-seater MUV available in a price range of Rs 9.98 to Rs 11.86 lakhs ex-showroom. It is available in 4 variants, a 1462cc, BS6 and 2 transmission options. Price of Maruti XL6 starts at Rs 9.98 lakh and goes up to Rs 11.86 lakh. Maruti XL6 is offered in 4 variants. The base model of XL6 is Zeta and top variant Maruti XL6 Alpha Automatic is the top variant. We bring you the list of accessories for your Maruti Suzuki XL6 which will not only enhance its look but also keep it safeguarded. TCU Hardware Kit XL6. All your electrical needs for your car are taken care by MSGA range of electrical accessories. This will cost you Rs 375. Car body cover mat XL6. Keep your car protected from unwanted dust and rain with Maruti Suzuki genuine accessory body covers. This will cost you Rs 1990. Door sill guard. Enter and leave your car in style. Also protect car door sills with the Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories range of door sill guards. This will cost you Rs 1190. Door visor. Enjoy the rain while letting the fresh air in with Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories door visors specially crafted for your car. This will cost you Rs 3450. Rear upper spoiler. Enhance the sportiness of your car with the range of car spoilers. This will cost you Rs 9390. Interior styling kit. Armrest. Add finish to your car interiors with specially designed interior styling kits for your car. This will cost you Rs 8190. Car divider partition. Maintain social distancing even while sitting in car together with genuine accessories range of car divider partition. This will cost you Rs 799. Window frame kit. Add styles to your car exterior with wide range of genuine accessory garnishes. This will cost you Rs 3350. Premium carpet mat, black in color. Enhance your car decor with premium range of genuine accessories floor mats especially designed for your car. This will cost you Rs 3750. PVC Mat Black XL6. Enhance your car decor with premium range of Maruti Suzuki genuine accessory floor mats. This will cost you Rs 3237. So guys, these are some of the shortlisted accessories for your Maruti Suzuki XL6. Do let us know in the comment section if you want to know about any other accessory, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.